she running away. She said she can't take it no more, no. So she ran away. She can't love him, said she running away. She said she can't take it no more, no. So she ran away.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be kind of changing up my bedroom. My bed, let's say. Yeah. I'm going to change the colors on my bed. And those will be the colors that are going to run through, hopefully, through the summertime. As a designer, I get pretty tired of stuff quickly. And because I don't know if it's coming with age or whatever, but I have toned down a lot. I've toned down in my personality. I have toned down in life. I've toned down in things that I like. So in terms of having the really bright colors, that's not where I'm at anymore. I try to still drop it in there now and then, but I have come to realize that I don't fall in love with it like I should, right? So I have changed up my bed. And today what we're going to do is, in this video, is it's going to be a clean with me, tidy up in the morning. I may speed the video, but I may not. But just to show you that even though I have a lot of pillows on my bed, because I got a comment about that, like, oh, I would love to do this. But, you know, I like to just jump in my bed. And you literally can just jump in your bed, right? So I will show you in this video. I think it took me 19 minutes because it was a little less than 19 minutes, but I think it took me 19 minutes because I was, you know, showing you guys stuff and doing a little extra. But normally I would say it would take about 5 to 7 minutes in the morning for me to make my bed. And at nighttime, to get my bed ready to get up in it, it probably takes about a minute for me to move the pillows out the way. My comforter, the white comforter that I have on my bed, it's not a comforter, it's a coverlet. I don't wash it in my washer because the drum of my washer is too small. So I normally have to take it to the laundry to get it washed. And I hate when I have to do that. So what I do is I put another blanket on top of it and I lay on that. So that's my lazy way of sleeping. That's my lazy way of sleeping on my bed, but it works for me. So that's why I do it. Okay. And to those of you who are seeing me for the first time, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button to the bottom and turn on your notification bell so that you would not miss another upload from me. My name is Judith and I am known by Jag by Design is my nickname. And I am an interior designer. On this channel, we like to do some DIY. We do interior design. On this channel, you'll see me doing home makeovers. And I also do educational videos showing you guys how to properly decorate your houses and your space and the do's and the don'ts. So if you're interested in stuff like that, please go ahead and stick around. Rise and shine. Hi guys, again, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be basically updating my bed. I did it over the weekend and I didn't video it because I wasn't intending to do it. Is while I was changing out my sheets, I just did it. So I was like, oops, you didn't pick up the camera. So I am now picking up the camera and I am showing you guys how I basically changed out my bed. So what I do is I lay on this blanket right here. This is the lazy way how I keep my bed to where I don't have to completely spread it every morning. So what I do at night is I will move my decorative pillows out of the way. I will spread that blanket. I also cover with it. It's big enough for me to cover with. I have my sleeping pillows, and I will put those in place, and I will lay right there in my little corner. Okay, so this is the lazy way. However, there are times when my entire bed is not like this, because it's not just me laying in the bed. You see what I'm saying? So, but the majority of the time, this is all I have to do in the mornings, is basically just kind of like straighten out, puff out the sheets. Then I will put all my decorative pillows back in place, and I'll be done. So these are the pillows that I had on there before. You will see was that bright corally pinky color with the yellow. Those is what I had on there. For some reason I like the color. Is a beautiful color, but I just wasn't getting into it. And I bought those months ago at IKEA, and I was like, I wonder if IKEA still have these. So I went back, and I was so happy that I was able to get one more, because I need 3 to put on my bed. These are 26 by 26. I was trying to find a 28 by 28 insert, the feather down inserts, but they didn't have any. They didn't even have any of the 26 by 26 inserts. So that's why you see me pulling that one out to switch out. So I need to have 3, because my bed is a king bed. It's not a coal king, it's a king. So the king is shorter and the coal king is wider. If you understand what I'm saying. So I'm a short person, so I don't need the coal king. I don't need a longer bed. Did I say that right? Yeah, the coal king is a longer and the king is wider. So that my bed, I need the 26 by 26 pillows. If I have those using, I need 3 of those. And I only had 2 of each color when I picked them up before. So what I did notice, however, like I said, the first set I bought them in January. So this new set, it's saying that it's the same color, but it's a different dye lot, meaning the fabrics have a slight different color. So the one that I purchased, the fabric is just one hue darker than those that I have now. And I kind of noticed that when I was putting it on the bed. So that's why you see I put it on the far end. But then eventually during the week, I kind of moved it in the middle, because I was seeing it. It was like sticking out like a sore thumb. So to make it look like it belonged, I put it in the middle. Okay? So yeah, I was just getting my little dance on in the morning. I like to play some music, whether it's my gospel music. It depends on how I wake up feeling that morning. Okay? So what I also picked up at IKEA on Sunday was this throw. So this is a knitted throw, and I got it to match the gold that's going on the bed. So basically I'm just gonna throw it on free willy on the bed. Basically there's no format to this. Just be real freehand with it. Drop it on there and you're finished. Okay, now the key thing about this color on my bed looks very cool and soothing right now. I'm so in love with it. Now I picked up these other colors that I want to use in the fall. So this one is like an olive greeny color, but it's a light olive. And then I needed another floor mat for my bathroom, so I also picked that up. They were like $5.99 for that floor mat. So back to what I was saying about the colors on my bed. So this is Babe's favorite color. His favorite color is yellow. And I always wanted to do the bed in yellow, but I could not find the right tone yellow. I have this yellow blanket that I purchased before, but it's too bright. And like I was saying, like, you know, I'm kind of toning down from those type of colors. But this right here, this gold, is thebomb.com. So I also got that blanket. I picked it because I liked it, but this one right here, that fur one, I found that one at Home Goods on sale for like, I think it was like $24.99, and it's originally like $79.99. So I grabbed it real quick, and I will be using that in the winter time. So guys, as I mentioned before, when I put these 2 chairs in my room, that they were not here to stay, and they're about to go. Okay, family, so what I am spraying my bed with right now is your Tadora, and you can find this on my website. Now, I spray my bed twice a week at least, and I also would spray my drapery. It is linen safe and it will not stain your linen. The reason that I spray it on my drapery as well is when you have a fragrance in a big room, you want to try to find different ways to help it to circulate properly in the room, and doing this allows it to do that.
She said she running away. She said she can't take it no more.